Spain is under mounting pressure tonight to tighten its border controls after around 60,000 migrants entered the North African territory of Ceuta within the space of a single day. 57 people died attempting the crossing. Spanish authorities say more than 48,000 migrants have since been returned to Morocco. Italy has now suspended freedom of movement with Spain, closing its air and sea borders in a rare use of emergency powers.
The surge in migrants illegally crossing the border into Ceuta peaked yesterday. Amid chaotic scenes, tens of thousands arrived by land, scaling fences. Many others took to the sea, swimming around a breakwater barrier. Mainly young men, but also families with their babies.
I came here to seek a better future. I have to find better opportunities.
The police officers tried to stop us, but our will and our determination, we came here.
The small Spanish territory, which borders Morocco, is located on the North African coast across from mainland Spain. Spanish authorities have linked the border surge to a recent Supreme Court decision that migrants arriving by sea could not be summarily deported. Spanish military personnel have been deployed to help the police restore order and reinforce the border, while Moroccan authorities use water cannon to push people back. On a visit to the territory, the Spanish Prime Minister condemned the action and said migrant smugglers had misinterpreted the court ruling.
What happened yesterday was a violation of Spain's territorial integrity. We reject it in the strongest possible terms and regard it as deplorable.
There has been widespread criticism from several EU countries. EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen said it was unacceptable, while Giorgia Meloni, the Prime Minister of Italy, which has suspended freedom of movement with Spain, said such uncontrolled immigration was a security threat to Europe. Fergal O'Brien, RTE News.